scientifically or psychologically, this is the subconscious mind, which is actually experiencing through the emotion, thought, and sensation. So you can say through the you can say like that way, the consciousness based on the psychological or scientifically. And spiritually, you can say the soul actually experiencing awareness, or awareness of soul actually aware um, through the depth. Also you can say like philosophically, the nature, actually exploring the nature and its role in the universe. So this is the way actually you can describe the consciousness through the soul, subconscious mind, and also through the nature.